Hi there, traders, and happy Friday. So let's talk about how to identify fake breakouts. How to identify fake breakouts. So I'm gonna do some patterns first. So let's say the box of information. What we have here. The first we're gonna create that here. So price is now going down, 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 down. And now what's gonna happen, the price is mostly we're gonna retest that, but if it's gonna be the fake out, we're gonna do that. So this one here is the fake out. So what we have, so let's do the rejection high. So the rejection high is gonna be this is gonna be the fake out. Rejection low this is gonna be the fake out. Momentum zone, it's a very similar like opportunity, but what is happening here, boom, 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 it's get momentum here. That's why it's the momentum zone where it goes, and this is the fake out. So let's do some patterns. So M pattern, I'm going to do the original one. That's the original one. And what is the fake out? That's the fake out here. You see it. The market is gonna go above this zone and retest other side. W. The original one. And the fake out one. And this was giving up. Get rejected, downside. But there is a very big difference about the fake out and rejection. I'm gonna show it a little bit later. So let's do trend line. So if you now bring this one here, let's do this one. Fake out here and going opposite sides. Put this one here. This is gonna be the fake out. Where the W pattern going up to the opposite side. Then we have those are the trend lines. And then we have patterns here. And the price is, price is just doing like that. And then we have bumps like that. Same thing, those things here, and the same thing opposite sides. And this is when the market is, very clean. Same thing with the opposite sides. So what we have here, we have patterns, we have trend lines, we have patterns, information, rejection, how to do it. So yeah, so for like, let's say example, like if you look in this one here, so this was my entry of the gold sell what I was taking here. Oh, sorry, oil sell. This one here. So this was my entry, and if you look in the pattern here, let's put this one here. What you see? Dance, poof, fake out. You see, that's the fake out here. But for me, it was, you know, take my entry here. But in that case, it was a fake out. Same thing if you're looking like this pattern here. Same thing, we have this fake out here. But now what we have to understand is what is the fake out and what is the rejection. So this is the fake out and that's the rejection. All those rejections here, fake out, fake out. For me, I'm calling all those right now in fake outs, with rejections, because it is a rejection in overall. Same thing here, and then, you know, same thing this one here. And then what you see, we have this W pattern here, bounce, and now, you know, failing W after that. This one here. Same thing. Now price going boom under it, going back to the rejection low. Nice W. Oh, let's look this one here. So what we have here, we have rejection high, what we see first is fake out, rejection, 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 kind of fake out, kind of fake out, and fake out. You see, oh, all those. And now bounce going opposite sides, breaking the lows, W pattern, and going opposite sides. But in here, at the same time, we, you know, break it, retest it, and break it, you know, go back to the lows, you know, trade opportunity, and then entry, poof, back to this one. But for me, I think it's not very important to actually think about, you know, fake breakouts. Like, to be honest, I'm not thinking about years already those let's say fake breakouts. I'm not thinking about those at all. I was thinking back in days, but right now, zero. I have zero thinking about that. For me, it's just a rejection, and whatever side I am, the rejection is for me good. It's +1 confirmation, like this one here, like this one here. Let's say I'm gonna hold that trade here, so this is, you know, good confirmation for me. Like, if I still holding the sell, this is the good confirmation for me. This is the good confirmation for me. The pattern here, good confirmation for me. And then we have bounce there, then we have continuation pattern here, good confirmation to me. And let's say, like, we have this one here, the W pattern. Let's put this one here. So what we see, you can say it's the fake breakout. For me, it looks, you know, for me it's a rejection. Let's go more here. You know, we have here rejections, and we have here rejections. And now you see the price is going opposite sides of the previous, this one here. You know, the previous rejection high here, retest, and going back. going back, this top of the continuation pattern here, you know, entry, take profit. And what you see here, rejection, you can call it fake out, here same thing, and now price is in current price right now. So I think you understand how to identify fake breakouts. It's not necessary in trading mindset at all. I think it's too noisy. This mindset, you know, to hold that mindset, I think it's super noisy. It's kind of like, I think it's too noisy. It's just like if you master the patience, you already master to identify fake breakouts. But now is the thing, you don't have to hold two strong principles. We're gonna turn how to identify fake breakouts to muscle memory, and we're gonna follow in the patient, you know, how you developing the patient mindset. You're gonna following the patient mindset, and the fake breakout is gonna be your muscle memory. Let's see, gold. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Bounce. Downside. Yeah. Nice. Now, this thing is just going through the computer screen. Now, when gold is back those areas, we have some new opportunities. So right now, what we see, the price is pushing this one here. Ooh, ooh. Like that, you see the prices bounce, 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 bounce. Then we have rejection. Now we have the W pattern here, and the price is kind of breaking the highs, retest, and now boom, price is failing. Now we have this mini. Now we have this mini W pattern here, with breaking structure, with retest and breaking again, and then smashing down. And what we have down here again, the W pattern with the breaking structure, little retest, and now price is going higher. You know, we have W pattern, W pattern, W pattern. There's something going on. But let's see, today is Friday anyway, so there's nothing kind of to look. And today is anyway very nice and easy video. Not much because it's Friday, end of the week, people want to rest and, you know, take care to the family. Yeah, here we can, let's say we have this rejection high here. Ooh. Same thing, those places here. You can call it fake out, you can call it rejection. That's how you gonna developing. But as soon as when I see that question, how to identify fake breakouts, I was thinking like, oh wow, I didn't even think about that, like years and years and years. And then I start thinking like why I didn't think about that, and then I found the connection with the patient. your development in your patient mindset. That means it's not necessary anymore, because if you are patient, you are already looking, and then oh that was a fake out, or that was the rejection. Because if you're patient, you are gonna do whatever you're thinking in your mind, and you are doing that when you see the opportunity. When there's no opportunity, then you don't do it. And that's it. That's how we do it. Break and retest, going higher. W, break, retest, going higher. Retest with W pattern. Break, retest, going higher, rejection downside. And this was just giving up here right now. Back through, those here. Bounce. This one is pretty good pattern actually. You see how it's kind of holding. Now you see breaking, retest, going back, and overall was giving up in the future. All the way back to this one. Yep. My trade is still running here. This crazy one. Let's see what's happened. Bitcoin take profit was, that's called Bitcoin take profit was hit. Now it's going above and above and above. 618. Take profit for it. As soon as when you see something like this kind of price action here, that's a pure 618 retest. This one looks kind of similar, to be honest. Let's look here to there. 618, break and retest, and retest was exactly 618, and price is going after that. Perfetto. And yeah, gold. Wasn't best setups here, do they kind of like this sell or maybe this sell. It wasn't, we have this W pattern, but the price is too crazy going upsides. To realize if this W principle is holding, we have to break it, retest it, and now we have to go higher. After that, price has to go higher and go higher, but right now the price was bounce. Now the price was, this breaking structure was breaking these lows here and all those lows here. Now we have a pullback and going downside. There was some kind of scalps, but and then we have the new one. Yeah, not kind of sure of those trades here. Too crazy. But yeah, okay, anyway, I'm gonna finish today. If you found some interesting stuff, so If you have some questions, leave in the comments, and I'm gonna see you every single one on Monday. Happy weekend, and thank you every single one, and ciao.